Hello guys, this is Engineering Innovation 01 and today's project is the Super Light Chaser and I'm going to show you using a breadboard. So let's get started. So welcome back. So these are the requirements for this project. So let's begin. So I'll be starting with the NE55 timer IC and also the CD4017. So I'm going to be placing the 55 timer in between the horizontal columns. I think I really have to bring this to the camera closer so that you can see what I'm doing. I hope that's better now. So I'm going to be mounting other components on the breadboard right now. So with your jumpers, we are going to be connecting the pin 2 and pin 6 together, and also we're going to be connecting um, um pin 8 and 4 together with the jumpers. So with the jumpers, you're going to put the other side of the jumpers to pin 8 and connecting it to pin 4. You can see that. I hope that's better seen on the camera now. So let's move to the next. So with your 1UF capacitor, you can use either 16 volt or 25 volt, it doesn't matter, but 1UF capacitor. So the positive side of the capacitor will be connected to pin 2 of the i5 timer IC, and the negative side of the capacitor will be connected to pin 1, which is the ground. And but I didn't choose 1 as ground, it was already programmed to be used like ground, but I don't know why. I don't know why I didn't even choose 3 as ground, or maybe, but 3 is always output. I don't care, whatever, but just do what I just said. So the next resistor we're going to be connecting is 47k resistor. Am I right? I'm right. From the color bands, you can see it already. It is yellow, violet, and orange. I'm correct. So you're going to be connecting that to pin 6 and pin 7 of the IC. One side to pin 6 and one other side to pin 7. And here is also a 1k resistor, which is the color band is brown, black, and red. Oh, exactly, that's 1k. Wow. Okay, that will be connected to pin 7 and pin 8 of the IC. So one side will be connected to pin 7 and the other side is going to be connected to pin 8, and we're going to be using the jumpers to connect to pin 8 of the 555 timer IC and to the other side pin 16 of the CD4017. So the positive are being connected to 16 of the CD4017. With this other jumper, we're going to be connecting pin 1 of the NE555 and pin 8 of CD4017. And with the next jumper, we are going to be connecting pin 13 of CD4017 to pin 8 of still the same CD4017. So that is connected to the ground with pin 1. And also we're going to be connecting 13 and 15. So 13 and 15 are all going to ground. With the next jumper, we are going to be connecting pin 14 of CD4017 to pin 3 of NE555. I think I'm done with that. So now it's time to mount our LED on the board. So how are you going to do this? You're going to be connecting pin 3 of the IC to the positive side of the LED. So with the second LED mounting, I'm really going to be mixing colors right here. I'm not going to arrange them accordingly. So we are going to be connecting pin 2 to the second LED, pin 2 to the positive side of the second LED. Let me bring it closer so you can see that better. I think that's better now on the camera now. So with the third LED, I really want to mix in colors here because I don't want some kind of arrangement of red, just red, or maybe arrangement of yellow, or arrangement of just green. I just want to mix colors here so that to be like a kind of Christmas light, and I want to just see that kind of Christmas light show. So we're going to be connecting pin 4 to pin 4 to the positive side of the LED. And please, the way you see me arranging these things, all the positive side are facing the horizontal line of the breadboard, and the negatives are all facing the vertical lines, because we are going to be taking the ground to that side, because all the ground are all connected parallel. So this is the fourth LED. We are going to be mounting how many LED? I think that will be like around 10 LEDs. Okay. So the next LED, which is the fourth one, is going to be connected to pin 7. You don't really need to bother about the connections here. I'm going to leave a diagram, especially as a beginner. You don't really understand the connections you're seeing right here. So I'm going to leave a diagram for you later in this video, so you don't really need to skip this video. You have to keep watching this video so that you understand some things I'm doing here, so that when you use the diagram, you understand what you're doing. So with the next an LED, which is the fifth one, we are going to be connecting pin 10 or the IC to the positive side of the LED. So with the next LED, that should be the sixth one. Am I right? Okay, the seventh. Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness, I don't know how to count numbers. I need to go back to nursery school and start learning how to count from numbers again. Okay, so you're going to continue the next one with pin 1 of the IC. So with the seventh LED, we're going to be connecting that to pin 5 of the IC. So that is why I told you that you don't really need to skip this video so that you understand what I'm doing, because these IC numbers you're seeing here that are being connected to the arrangement of the LED are scattered. Why they are scattered is because so we need some arrangement so that they can go straight. I don't know what am I supposed to say itself, but just stay to the end. Whatever, I don't even have to kind of say nonsense. So with the next LED, with the same arrangement, we are going to be connecting pin 6 of the IC to the next LED. I have to take a pin 6 of the IC with the jumper to the positive side of the LED as we normally do. So we are going to be connecting this next LED, and to do that we are going to be connecting after we just finished with pin 6, right? So do you think after pin 6 will be pin 7? No, I told you that the IC numbers are scattered, so it cannot be 7, and besides we already done 7 already, so it is going to be pin 9 to the next LED. You see why I told you not to skip this video? And finally we have come to 10 LED, and we have come to the end of this video. Oh, just kidding. So we're going to be connecting that after 9 is going to be 10. Oh, I already told you, not 10, it's 11. Oh. So you know, if you really like this video, do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified for new videos. Okay, Yeah, I know. I haven't forgotten. I know you're gonna say I talk so much, but I haven't forgotten that I place a resistor there. So that resistor I just placed is a 1K resistor and it's being connected to the ground. So it's being joined to pin 1 and then taken negative side of the LED that is being connected in the vertical column as I told you. So what I just put is the power supply from a 5 volt charger, because I tried using a 9 volt battery but it didn't work. So I think you should do what I just did. Use a 5 volt, because if you try using 9 volt it might not work. But if you use 9 volt, oh, and it works, is your luck. But I try use 5 volt. So yeah, uh is this a project? Oh my goodness, I don't know what to call this. Okay, a super like chaser, and if you really love my video, and do not forget to hit that subscription button and also like and comment.